Welcome to the REFURBIKE series. I will show you how I made thousands of dollars finding, fixing, and selling bikes, and how you can do the same. Starting with a bike found by a dumpster, I will walk you through all the steps to refurbish this bike and make a profit. In this episode, I will show you the process of how I evaluate a bike before I start repairing it. There are a few things that can make a bike not worth fixing, or even worse, impossible to fix. The first step in the evaluation is cleaning the bike. While cleaning, check for dents, cracks, and other damage to the frame, fork, and wheels of the bike. Besides scratches in the paint, damage to a bike's frame is impractical to repair. If you find any major dents or cracks in the frame, that bike is not worth fixing to sell for a profit. The next part of the bike that I check is if the seat post moves. Steel frames with aluminum seat posts are especially prone to having stuck seat posts. If you can't even slightly twist the seat post in the frame, the seat post is likely seized. There are methods to remove a seized seat post from a frame, but most are impractical when it comes to fixing a bike for a profit. After I examine the frame for damage, I try to find if any parts are missing from the bike that would prevent it from riding. If a bike is missing large parts such as a wheel or a fork, it may be not worth fixing and selling for a profit due to the price of replacement parts. However, if only a few small parts are missing, such as grips or brake pads, I think the bike is worth repairing and selling for a profit. For example, on this bike that I got for free in the last video, the only part missing that prevents it from riding is a skewer on the front wheel. Luckily, I had one sitting around that I could use to get the bike rolling. The last step of the evaluation is the first ride. While riding, pay close attention to how the bike feels. Try to notice if the bike pulls to one side, steers funny, or just doesn't feel like a normal bike. If the bike passes the evaluation process, the next step is to begin repairs to the bike. Stay tuned for next week's video where I will teach you how to fix a free bike to be sold for a profit. I hope you found this video helpful, and as always, if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I will try my best to respond to you.